The management of the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James says the nursery at the facility should be ready for reoccupation next week following treatment for mold. The management says an infection control team will be carrying out testing weekly.
Following a revelation that staff working in the nursery of the pediatric unit at the Cornwall Regional Hospital were being impacted by poor air quality, the management decided to shut down the area.
So we have to close that half of the ward, stop the leak, and literally do some refurbishing there and eradicate the mold.
Clinical coordinator of the Western Regional Health Authority, Dr. Delroy Frey, says he's satisfied with the work that was carried out to remove the mold in the nursery.
This work has been completed. We have retested it to see the air quality issue there, to see how we can reoccupy it very quickly. I want to make it clear that this is part of the makeshift pediatric ward that we had created when we had to, evacuate the main building of the hospital. And that is where that bit of mold was found.
Air quality issues at the Cornwall Regional Hospital span years. In fact, the main building was shut down back in 2018 after it was revealed that noxious fumes were making staff ill. While the latest issue at the nursery is not considered major, we asked Dr. Frey about the hospital's infection control measure.
We have our infection control team who monitor these things, and from time to time, I would think on a weekly basis to address, areas where you tend to get mold form, and these are the areas with high moisture content. So every Saturday, mold eradication things are done to minimize problems there, and that has been done on a weekly basis.
Halshane Burke, TVJ News.